This device is designed to be used for vacuuming gutters. Please make sure that you always use the correct filter with your unit. The front wheels on the vac can be locked for safety. The container can be removed from the trolley by turning the red knobs upwards. It has a tilting and swing function for emptying. The vac has 3 motors. It can be used with either 1, 2 or 3 motors. For removing water or grass from gutters, push the lever to the far right. For general cleaning, push the lever to the far left. The hose cuff is connected to the vacuum port. In order to remove the hose, push the lock and pull. Fasten the pole cuff to the carbon fibre pole. The next poles are connected so that the skyVac logos are always upwards. Fasten a suitable neck or angle and attach the tool that is needed. Make sure that the tool is securely fastened. The inspection camera package includes a camera and a monitor with a transmission distance of 70 meters. Fasten the monitor and the camera on the pole. Flush the insides of the tubes and flexi hose by vacuuming half a bucket of water. Clean the joints of the poles with a microfiber cloth. These poles conduct electricity. Make sure that no one is under the area that is being vacuumed.